Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about what is CMMS. Let's jump right into it. CMMS. Think of a CMMS as the digital backbone of your entire maintenance department. It's a software program designed to automate, streamline, and centralize all aspects of maintaining your physical assets. This includes everything from heavy machinery on the production floor to facilities, vehicles, and even office equipment. A CMMS acts as a central hub, consolidating all your maintenance tasks, inventory data, equipment details, and communication channels into a single, user-friendly platform. That's the power of a CMMS. Benefits of using a CMMS. Enhanced equipment uptime. By transitioning from reactive, fixing breakdowns, to proactive maintenance, a CMMS empowers you to schedule preventive maintenance based on manufacturer recommendations or actual equipment usage data. This proactive approach significantly reduces the risk of unexpected equipment failures, preventing costly production stoppages and ensuring your machines operate at peak performance. Reduced maintenance costs. A CMMS goes beyond simply scheduling maintenance. It helps you optimize your spare parts inventory by keeping track of stock levels and identifying reorder points to avoid stockouts and emergency purchases. Improved decision-making. The CMMS doesn't just manage your maintenance activities, it transforms them into valuable data. Through reports and analytics, you gain insights into equipment performance trends. This allows you to identify areas for improvement, prioritize maintenance needs based on criticality, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your entire maintenance program. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.